Hey guys, it's your boy Andy C, and today we're going to be talking about my rear trunk garnish trim. So I got the pieces for both the bottom and the top, and it doesn't come with the Model 3, but Model S's, they come with the standard top piece. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about in a second. I do believe all the little bits matter on the car to make it stand out more, or just to make it enhance how it looks. So the items just got here. Let's take a look at what's in the box, a little bit of unboxing for you guys, and then let's proceed to install it on my car. Let's go. All right, okay, so I did get the boxes in. This is gonna be for the lower side of my car. I've already taken these out just to make sure I got everything. It comes in a box like this. And then this one is gonna be for the upper side of the trunk, okay? So it came in rolled like that. Let me show you guys. So it sort of looks like this. Okay, this is gonna be for the upper side of my trunk. And in the back, there is 3M tape. Okay, as you can see, basically just stick it on there. All right, it is kind of, I would say, I feel like it's a little bent from the box, but we'll take a look outside. Okay, so this is gonna be the upper piece. And over here, this is how it looks. It's going to be the bottom piece, bottom garnish. So there are little defects here, but I just took a better look. It's a sticker. So I can just take the sticker off, okay? So this is how it looks. And then it also comes with some 3M tape, just in case you need more. Okay, so I will catch you guys outside to install these. Let's see how it goes, all right? So both pieces are out of the box. I unwrapped everything, and this is how it looks. It has a logo on it. That's for the back, top, and this is for the bottom. Okay, they are chrome. And those of you guys that know me, I am anti-chrome. So we're gonna use Plastidip here. And we're gonna black these out, matte black, okay? All right, let's do it. Okay, so the first coat is on. So I have to wait about 15 minutes, and I'm gonna coat it a few more times and then let it dry, and then we can install these, okay? All right guys, so I just finished my third coat, and I lifted the trims off the ground because I want to get an even coat everywhere. So currently it looks really nice, very nice. It's still in the drying mode. So I think after this one, I'm gonna do one more coat, let it dry, and then we'll install it. All right, let's do it. Okay guys, so this top piece right here is gonna go right here. Okay, and then this long piece right here is gonna go at the bottom, right there, right underneath the license, okay? Okay guys, so make sure you grab some alcohol. I usually use 70%. And then clean off the area that you're gonna be sticking these on. So for example, at the top here, make sure you clean that area, okay? If you don't clean it, it's not gonna stick. Make sure you clean it so the adhesive will stick, okay? All right. Okay guys, so after some careful consideration, I decided to just stick with the bottom trim garnish. When I had both of them under the top and the bottom piece, it looked like an Oreo cookie. So it was like white, black, I had too much patterns going on. So I decided to remove the top trim and probably gonna return that. So I just stuck with the bottom piece. I'm gonna post a picture of one with the top and bottom and one without the top, okay? So make sure you subscribe to my channel if you like this video and give me a thumbs up. And I'll catch you guys on my next video. All right, guys? Peace out.